Hi everyone! Today we're going to study subgraph, complementary, and union of the graphs. Let us define subgraph. A subgraph of a graph capital G with elements capital V and capital E is a graph capital H with elements capital W and capital F, where capital W is a subset of capital V and capital F is a subset of capital E. A subgraph capital H of capital G is a proper subgraph of capital G if capital H is not equal to capital G. For example, we have this graph H and this is graph G. Graph H is a proper subgraph of graph G. Now let us define complementary graph. The complementary graph capital G bar of a simple graph capital G has the same set of vertices as G, but two vertices are adjacent in G bar if they are not adjacent in G. Example, we have this graph G. This is now the graph of complement graph G bar. Now let us define union of the graphs. Two or more graphs can be combined in various ways. The new graph that contains all the vertices and edges of these graphs is called the union of the graphs. Thus, the union of two simple graphs, capital G sub 1 equals the elements capital V sub 1, capital E sub 1, and capital G sub 2 equals the elements capital V sub 2, capital E sub 2, is the simple graph with vertex set capital V sub 1 union capital V sub 2 and the edge set capital E sub 1 union capital E sub 2. The union of capital G sub 1 and capital G sub 2 is denoted by this notation. Capital G sub 1 U for union capital G sub 2. Example, this is G sub 1 graph and this is G sub 2 graph. The union of G sub 1 and G sub 2 is this graph.